Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house in the sign of Capricorn. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father seen from ninth house, your DNA seen from ninth house, your higher education means your post-grad education is seen from ninth house, your long distance travel, your religious inclination and religious knowledge is also seen from ninth house, your luck related matter and your fortune is also seen from ninth house. Second house deal with your family history, your family lineage is seen from second house. Your early upbringing is seen from second house. Your savings, your money matter is seen from second house. Your speech, your mouth region, and your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Sun will stay in your second house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from your second house to third house in the sign of Aquarius. So till your ninth house lord is moving in your second house, we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter, because second house also deal with your savings, your money related matter. Also, Mars is right now moving in exalted position in your second house because Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, and whenever Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, Mars considered as is an exalted position. Means Mars give very good result in Capricorn sign. So right now your house of luck lord, house of travel lord, and house of the higher education lord is also moving in your second house. That's why we can expect great result regarding all of these matter because Sun is right now is moving with Mars in your second house in its exalted position. Also, Mars represent anger and Sun represent ego. So you need to keep in mind that Mars represent anger and Sun represent ego. Although Mars is in an exalted position, but second house we also see your speech. So till 14th of February you need to be take care of your speech related matter. You can use abusive language with your family members before 14th of February due to presence of Sun and Mars, both the planets in your second house in the house of speech, because Sun represent ego in general and Mars represent anger. So both the planets are moving in your second house. Rest all the thing we can expect great result regarding your second house related matter and your ninth house related matter. Also, if someone from your family try to travel somewhere in the month of February, especially before 14th February, then we can also expect good result for their travel related matter because right now your travel house lord is moving in your second house in the house of family. Also, we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter due to presence of Mars and Sun in your second house till 14th of February. After 14th of February, your ninth house lord will be moving in your third house where Saturn is already present in its strong position in Aquarius sign. Means right now your third house is also in a strong position. And after 14th February, your ninth house lord will also be moving in third house. And from third house, Sun will also expect your ninth house its own sign. That's why we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your communication related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your younger brother and sisters related matter in the month of February. Because from third house, we see your younger brother and sister, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friends seen from third house, your efforts, how much efforts you can put in anything seen from third house, your hands and hand skills also seen from third house. But basically your communication skills and your efforts is seen from third house. So when after 14th of February your ninth house lord will be moving in third house, then we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter because you will put a lot of effort in your work. Although Saturn is also moving in your third house, Saturn will also make you do efforts in your workplace and anything you are doing right now, because Saturn in third house makes you more hardworking and more because Saturn in third house makes you more hardworking. And after 14th of February, when Sun will also move to your third house, then we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter, and you will also get the revenue of that effort in the month of February. Although Sun and Saturn not considered friends in astrology, but right now Saturn is in a strong position. After 14th February, your Sun will move to your third house, and from third house, Sun will also aspect its own house. So right now, third and ninth at your third and ninth axis will be in a strong position after 14th February. That's why we can expect great result regarding your meetings, your friend circle, your professional, your friend circle, your get together, your communication related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your luck related matter. Also, if you want to travel some short distance travel, then we can expect great result after 14th February 2024 when your ninth house lord will be moving in your third house in the sign of Aquarius. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 10th house and your 7th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your second house in the sign of Capricorn. Mercury is just moved from your ascendant to your second house after 2nd February 2024. And Mercury will move from the second house to your third house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. So right now in the month of February, your 10th house and 7th house lord will be moving in your second house till 20th February 2024. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your superiors, your fame, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, in your business, in your occupation is also seen from 10th house, your superiors, your bosses, and your work environment is also seen from 10th house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your spouse seen from seventh house, your legal bindings, your relationships in general seen from seventh house, your commitments, legal bindings, your agreemented things is also seen from seventh house, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now your 10th house and seventh house lord is moving in your second house, so we can expect great result regarding your work related matter in the month of February, because in previous videos, second, sixth, and 10th house always connected to your money related matter and your work related matter. And right now, your 10th house lord is moving your second house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your money related matter from your which we regarding your money related matter which you will earn from your work. Also, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter till 20th February 2024. Because right now, second house is also in an exalted position, and Mercury and Mars, both the planets will be moving till 20th February in your second house, and Mars is also right now in an exalted position in your second house. Means your second house is in a strong position right now, and second house deal with your money matter especially, and your 10th house lord, which is moving your second house along with Sun and Mars till 20th February 2024. Keep in mind, Ketu is right now moving in your 10th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So right now Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your second house, but till 20th February, till your 10th house lord is moving in your second house, we can expect some relief from the disturbance of Ketu which you were facing from November 2023. But in the month of February, you will get some relief from all the difficulties you are facing, all the difficulties you are facing at your workplace. Also, your seventh house lord is moving in your second house, and seventh house lord is moving in your second house means your spouse, your legal binding, your relationship with journal lord is moving in your second house. So we can expect great result. If you are married right now with your family member, you will spend a quality time in the month of February till 20th February 2024. Also, if you are unmarried, then we can expect great proposals, good proposals in the month of February from your cousins, neighbors, someone you already know. Because with your family and familiar people are seen from second house. So we can expect this result from Mercury till 20th February 2024. After 20th February, Mercury will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving, and Sun will also move after 14th February 2024 in your third house. So after 20th February, when Mercury, your 10th house and your 7th house lord will be moving in your third house, we can expect you will put great effort at your workplace, and you will also get the revenue of that effort due to presence of Saturn in your third house in its strong position. But be prepared to put a lot of effort in the month of February, especially after 14th February, when Sun will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of efforts, in the house of efforts, in the house of effort, in the house of communication. Also, your seventh house lord will be moving in your third house, so we can expect great result after 20th February regarding your get together, regarding your communication related matter with your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friends in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now your 6th house and 11th house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle is in from 11th house, your incoming gains in the form of money, in the form of respect, in the form of position is also seen from 11th house. Your gains in the form of bulk is also seen. Gains of money is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your elder brother and sister is also seen from 11th house. Your sources and your PR is also seen from 11th house. Sixth house will be the court case, litigation, argument, competition is seen from sixth house. Your hidden enemy is seen from sixth house. Your daily routine in context of your work is seen from sixth house. Your debt means your loans is also seen from sixth house. So right now, sixth house and 11th house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. Means Venus is right now moving in your ascendant. That's why we can expect great result till 11th of February regarding your gains related matter, regarding your incoming gains, regarding incoming respect, regarding incoming gains, regarding incoming respect. Also, we can expect great result regarding your conflict related matter. If you are dealing with some court case, competition in your life, then we can expect things will turn into your favor till 11th February 2024 because Venus is present in your first house till 11 February 2024. After 11 February, Venus will move from first house to second house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars will be moving in your second house in its exalted position. So after 11 February, when your 11th house Lord will be moving your second house, then as you know, second house will be your savings, your money matters, your bank account is seen from second house, and your 11th house Lord will be moving in your second house. So we can expect great result regarding your incoming gains related matter, regarding your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes. Also, we can expect great result regarding your elder brother and sisters related matter in the month of February, especially after 11th February 2024. Your sixth house Lord will be also moving in your second house after 11th February 2024. And as we discussed previously, in Mercury section 6, second, and 10th house is always connected to your work and earning from your work. So your sixth house Lord will be moving in your 11th house after 11th February 2024. And Mercury, your 10th house Lord, is also moving in your second house till 20th February 2024, as we discussed previously in Mercury section. So like you will get great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your earnings at your work. Also, we can expect great result regarding your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes and the gains of money in the month of February. You will able to save a lot of money in the month of February due to presence of Mars in its exalted position in your second house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard it's set according to 6 February 2024. And on the basis of 6 February, we are predicting for whole month because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet, moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius people, Mars controls your 5th house and your 12th house. And right now, your 5th house and 12th house Lord is moving in your second house in its exalted position, as we discussed previously in Mercury and Sun section. Because right now Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, and Mars in Capricorn sign considered as an exalted position. Mars gives very good result in Capricorn sign. Fifth house deal with your children. Your love relationship is seen from fifth house. Your early education till college life education is seen from fifth house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance related matter is seen from fifth house. Your mental abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can learn things is also seen from fifth house. Your position at your workplace means your actual post is seen from fifth house. Your 12th house deal with your work. 12th house deal with your foreign settlement related matter. Your spirituality related matter is seen from 12th house. Your imagination is seen from 12th house. Your donation ability to do donation is seen from 12th house. Foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your long term investment is also seen from 12th house, and your paranormal activities are also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house and your fifth house lord is moving in your second house in this strong position. So we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right. Expect great result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. If you are unmarried in education, if you are unmarried and you are in education lab, then we can expect great result regarding your education related matter in the month of February. If you are higher education or early education, because Jupiter is right now present in your fifth house, and from fifth house Jupiter is also present in your fifth house and also expecting your ninth house from its ninth aspect. That's why we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. Either you are in early education or post-grade education. Also, if you are unmarried and you have love relationship, then you will also definitely get a chance to convert your love relationship into marriage in the month of February due to presence of Venus in your first house till 11 February 2024. And from first house, Venus is also aspecting your seventh house and your and your fifth house lord, which and your fifth house lord, which actually concludes your love relationship and your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter, is right now moving in its exalted position in your second house in the house of family, in the house of familiar thing. That's why we can expect great result regarding your all the fifth house related matter in the month of February from Mars. 12th house, and right now your 12th house lord is moving in your second house. So as we discussed previously in sun section, your ninth house long distance travel lord is also moving in your second house, and foreign settlement lord is also moving in your second house. So if you're trying to move from your birth to some different country, you will also get a chance to travel somewhere, or you will get a good news regarding your immigration PR related matter in the month of February if you are basically trying to move from your birthplace to some different country, because your travel house lord and foreign settlement lord is also moving in your second house and right now is in exalted position. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of February. Just you need to take care of your speech related matter. Just you need to take care of your speech related matter, because Sun and Mars, both the planets are moving in the house of speech, and Mars represent anger and Sun represent ego, as we discussed previously in this video. So you need to just take care of your ego related matter and your speech related matter in the month of February when you're dealing with your family members and your loved ones. For rest, all of the things we can expect good result in the month of February for all the Sagittarius people. So we will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your second house, and Sun will stay in your second house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move from the second house to the third house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your second house, and Mercury just moved from your first house to second house after 2nd February 2024. And Mercury will move from your second house to third house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your second house, and Mars is just moved from your first house to second house after 6th February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn, and Mars will stay in your second house till the whole month of February. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your first house, means Venus is right now moving in your ascendant, and Venus will stay in your first house till 11 February 2024. After 11 February, Venus will move from your first house to second house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.